Thousands of children across Teesside will master scenes from Mozart's Magic Flute, using their imaginations to sing, act and dance their way on a quest to find a lost princess.
We really hope to work with loads of teachers so that we can support children in primary schools understand what opera is, explore it for themselves, and then at the end of the year they'll all come together to sing with some of our opera singers as well.
It's all about breaking down the barriers, and it's making sure that they have access to these fabulous stories and these fabulous scores of music so that they can enjoy them as much as we are.
I'm sure that there will never be a more romantic night than this. I heard my lady last night, I saw the birds from our
1,500 school children from 70 schools have been performing alongside one of the world's leading opera companies in a series of special concerts across Teesside.
Yes, after months of workshops and rehearsals, professional singers and musicians from the Royal Opera House have been taking part in shows this week across the Tees Valley, introducing opera to a new audience. Stuart Winkup reports.
Some of the world's leading opera singers performing together alongside hundreds of school children. These concerts are about breaking down barriers, showing the young children that opera is for everyone.
I think the big hope is that to inspire children, to make them realise that opera is not a scary thing. Anybody can sing opera, and to have all the children involved and doing the drama as well and everything that goes along with it. I think it's really, really key that they see this as achievable for them in the future.
There's been 5 concerts throughout the week, each one involving different schools. Around 1,500 children have been involved in all the performances. The final show was the culmination of weeks of rehearsals. So what's it been like for the children?
very fun and exciting, really interesting of getting to sing really high and really low. And especially getting to see a few people from the Royal Opera House. I've enjoyed all the actions. Singing is, it's just really fun.
My name is Claire Tunney and I'm a professional opera singer from Middlesbrough. I'm currently here singing at the Théâtre Champs-Élysées in Paris. I'm just in a bit of a break at the moment. I've just gone on stage and sang. Now I've got about half an hour free until I've got to go back on again. So I just thought I'd send you a little message to say hello and to talk to you a little bit about how I became an opera singer.
I genuinely hope that some of the kids down there, it will be their first ever time experiencing opera music, and I really hope that it will give them that first spark where they'll start to kind of be interested in music and hopefully one day go to see an opera and maybe even take part as well and become a musician. I mean, in a sense, the people down there are the musicians of the future.